Get ready, because today we're diving into the OnePlus 15, a phone that might just shake the entire flagship market, and trust me, you don't want to miss what OnePlus is hiding this time, especially the surprise twist at the end that will leave you shocked. So stay with me till the last second. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to launch around early 2026, and if these leaks are real, this device is about to redefine performance and smartphone intelligence. Starting with the display, OnePlus is expected to bring a stunning 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED panel with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate that makes everything, from scrolling to gaming, feel unbelievably smooth. And the real magic? The new AI adaptive display engine that automatically enhances brightness, clarity, contrast, and even protects your eyes based on your environment, making every viewing moment feel dynamic. Speaking of AI, the OnePlus 15 is rumored to carry an upgraded AI fusion system that speeds up app opening, predicts your daily usage, boosts battery life, and even improves photos in real time. Now, let's talk about raw power. The phone may come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 9 Gen 4 chip, built on a 3nm process, offering monster performance that crushes multitasking, gaming, editing, and heavy apps without a hint of lag. Combine that with up to 16GB RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, and you get a device tuned for speed from the inside out. Then we have the cameras. OnePlus might bring a triple camera setup featuring a 64MP main sensor with improved low-light AI processing, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, allowing you to capture crisp, vibrant shots even in challenging lighting. Videos are rumored to reach 8K with better stabilization, making it a true content creator's dream. Battery life is another area where OnePlus could dominate again. The OnePlus 15 is expected to pack a 5,500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging, so you might get a full day's power in just a few minutes of charging. Imagine plugging in your phone and watching the percentage jump like crazy. That's the kind of futuristic speed users love. And here's where it gets even more exciting. Rumors say OnePlus might finally introduce 50W wireless charging and a super efficient cooling system that controls temperature during gaming or long usage. But hold on, because everything you've heard so far is just the surface. The real suspense lies in OnePlus's secret AI-powered Smart Vision mode, which is rumored to turn your phone into a mini desktop by linking it with your monitor, keyboard, and apps for ultra productivity. If that feature is real, the OnePlus 15 could change how we use phones forever. Now, before I reveal the final surprise, think about this. If OnePlus prices this under $999, it could instantly become the best value flagship in the US market, shaking Samsung, Apple, and Google at the same time. And here's your surprise for staying till the end. OnePlus may include a limited edition color that will only be available for the first 48 hours after launch, and leaks say it changes shade based on sunlight. How crazy is that? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And get ready, because in my next video, I'm revealing something even bigger, something no one is expecting, so stay tuned because the tech storm is just getting started.